Yeah, no, honorable members, the secretary of our committee is showing me a list of unanswered WhatsApp text to General Cele. Honorable Shogwe.
Thank you, Chair. I wanted to ask, what is there a relationship between the two Mokhotzes, the spokesperson and the other Mokhotze? Thank you.
No, I don't know. I have no information, Honorable Member.
May I proceed, Chair? Thank you, General. But you know Kat Matlala?
Very well.
Okay.
I think
When did you first meet Kat Matlala?
I met Kat Matlala in December last year,
2024,
2024. That's the
before
first
the directive.
That's the first time I met Kat Matlala. December 2024. I can't remember the date, but it was after the raid.
The raid on the 8th or the 6th, the 6th of
Yeah.
December.
Because that's one thing that brought him to me.
So what is there a connection between the raid on 6th December where we know
There are,
that PKTT
there are issues that he raised to me about the raid.